across the road.
Yeah, safely. That's the most important part. 6:20 on Tuesday morning, and in the last 24 hours, we did get a little bit of snow to freshen things up at the resorts. In fact, there's 2 inches at Brighton, while other resorts had 1 inch. That was the case at Alta, Beaver Mountain, Cherry Peak, as well as Snowbird Solitude, Sundance, Park City also had 2 inches. And if you're heading up there today, boy, it's going to be looking good. We're getting a break between storms, and we'll have a lot of sunshine to enjoy. Even though there are going to be a few clouds around, mainly along and over the higher terrain and in the southeast, but otherwise we've got fair skies across the majority of the viewing area. There is some patchy fog in Cache Valley, though, so that'll slow you down. Otherwise, a big story for most of you when you head out the door will be the cold, just like yesterday. 24 degrees currently in Salt Lake City. It's 18 in Logan, 8 right now in Vernal, starting out 22 on Blanding, just shy of that in Cedar City, 21, and then well above freezing in St. George, where it's currently 39. So you're going to be shivering again when you head out. But otherwise, the stormy weather today is to our south across the desert southwest. Here in Utah, we've got high pressure building in, which is centered over the north. And besides keeping it dry, that's also helping to create enough of a difference in air pressure that we've got a northerly flow from north to south. And as that air gets funneled through some of the north-south oriented canyons, that's creating more high winds. A high wind warning continues for outlying areas of Utah's Dixie. So near the canyons, winds will be northeast 30 to 40 miles per hour, gusting near 60 miles per hour. So blustery start to the day, but a lot of that should be decreasing over the next few hours, and things will really be quieting down by around lunchtime, by around noon. Otherwise, in the north, it's going to feel a lot like it did yesterday. We'll hit 36 in Salt Lake, which still puts us a little bit below average for this time of year. In fact, 30s are going to be probably pretty common in a lot of the valleys. It'll be a little shy of that in Logan at 29, 23 in Evanston. In St. George, it'll be 53. Partly cloudy over the mountains and over far southeast Utah, but otherwise mostly sunny across the majority of the state. Warming up near 60 by Valentine's Day in St. George. It'll be partly cloudy by then and cooling off into the early part of next week. And for northern Utah, we'll have a couple weather systems coming through. One could bring a few light snow showers tomorrow morning, mainly some flurries. Otherwise, it'll be partly cloudy near 40. A little bit warmer on Thursday. By Friday, we'll get a chance of some valley rain, mountain snow for Valentine's Day, but a stronger storm will bring a much better chance of rain and snow by the end of the weekend.